Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a default alert times for calendar events or all-day events on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on calendar. Next, go down. In here, tap on default alert times and then tap on events. In here, you can choose an alert. So for example, we can select 1 day before or 2 hours before or 5 minutes before or at time of event or 1 week before. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to the default alert times. Next, if you want, you can also set all day events. So in here you can set the alert for all day events for on the day of event, 1 day before, 2 days before, or 1 week before. And again, select one of the options and then tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.